How to fix keeps updating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off auto downloads. Open Play Store, click on your profile, click on settings, click on network preferences, click on app download preferences. Here you will see three options. Over any network, over Wi-Fi only, ask me every time. Now click on ask me every time, click on OK. Now click on auto update apps. Here you will see update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data, update with limited amount of mobile data, update over Wi-Fi only, don't auto update apps. Now click on don't auto update apps. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps updating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.